Imagine 10 full days of complete silence. No phone, no books, no talking. Just you, your mind, and your breath. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I also thought the same until I did it. And it completely changed my life. In this video, I'm going to talk about what Vipassana is, why it is just not a meditation course but a complete mental detox. I'm going to talk about those 10 days and what happens in those 10 days. I'm going to share my personal experiences to all of you, and also how you can subscribe for the same course or participate into the same. By the end of this video, you will realize why I'm telling this, that everyone should try this course at least once in their lifetime. Vipassana is the oldest meditation technique introduced by Gautam Buddha to the world. It's 2500 years old. It's about seeing the things as they really are. There is no ritual, there is no religion, there is not even chanting mantras. It's about pure observation. The 10-day course taught worldwide in Vipassana centers established by S.N. Goenka focuses majorly on your breath and bodily sensations. Or it teaches you to see every thought, every feeling, every reaction that arises and passes away. You know, we live in an age where we are constantly scrolling or checking every ping on our phone and chasing just the deadlines. And you know what? Slowly and gradually, we are losing the control over our own thoughts and emotions. So you know what? Vipassana is like that reset button for your brain. It gives you better mental clarity, emotional stability, and self-awareness without any external help. So what can you expect after your course at Vipassana? You are more relaxed, your mind is more relaxed. Now you can think clearly and your action, they are more defined and rightful. Yes, because now you are more aware about your thoughts, about your feelings, and you are not swayed by the feeling which is taking you here and there. You are more aware what is right and how I should do it. And that's what the changes that you can expect through Vipassana. And let me tell you, it does not make you only relaxed, but it also transforms your life. Now you have a better direction of your life and you are the one who is driving it. And let me tell you, do not expect that these changes will come only with that one time Vipassana course. No, you might take more courses of Vipassana. But let me tell you, even that one course which you are going to take at Vipassana is going to transform your life drastically. And yes, you are going to become a better person with that. Have you ever lived in the present? No. With the mobile phones, we do not live in the present. And after Vipassana, I am glad that I can be truly alive in my present, not worrying about the past or about the future. Just be in the present. And you know the best part? Vipassana courses are free. Yes, absolutely free. They run on the donation of the old students who are benefited by the technique themselves. So if you really want to apply for this amazing course, I'll be sharing all the links below in my description. Check that out, select the date, select the place, and fill up the form. But remember, fill it fast and before, because the seats gets full very fast here. So if you really want to reset your life and your mind, then Vipassana is the technique you should definitely try on. Is it challenging? Well, yes, very challenging. But let me tell you, the peace which you are going to feel at the end of Vipassana is worth every discomfort you are going to face. Really want to meet the most important person, that is yourself. Do not forget to sign up for Vipassana. This is the best gift you can give to yourself. Also, we are coming up with more videos on Vipassana, wherein I am going to tell you about the detailed explanation of how my journey of 10 days look like, and plus one Q&A session wherein we'll be answering all the questions you have regarding the Vipassana. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.